Ever thought your life insurance policy could be your secret wealth-building weapon? Imagine turning those premium payments into a gold mine. In today's video, we're diving into the surprising world of whole life insurance. Not just a safety net, but a financial powerhouse in disguise. Stay tuned as we break down the savvy strategies to transform your policy into a powerhouse for your prosperity. The concept of whole life insurance. Whole life insurance isn't just your average safety net. It's a dynamic financial tool that stands out distinctly from term insurance. While term insurance is like renting an apartment, temporary and without equity, whole life insurance is like buying a home. It's yours as long as you keep up the payments, and it builds value over time. This type of insurance comes with a fantastic feature called cash value accumulation. Think of it as a savings account within your policy that grows, tax-deferred, at a guaranteed rate. The longer you hold the policy, the more this cash value grows, providing you not only security but also potential financial leverage. Another stellar feature? The guaranteed death benefit. No matter when you pass away, as long as the policy is active, your beneficiaries are assured a predetermined sum. This guarantee, coupled with level premiums, that is, your payment amount doesn't spike as you age, makes whole life insurance a predictable and secure investment in your family's future and your financial strategy. The bank of you, taking control. Imagine having your very own bank where you decide when and how to borrow money. That's the powerful concept of becoming your own bank through whole life insurance. This isn't just theory, it's a practical financial strategy that puts you in control. Every premium you pay into your whole life insurance policy helps to build up a cash value over time, similar to building equity in a home. Here's the game changer. You can borrow against this cash value whenever you need it. Whether it's funding your child's education, covering emergency expenses, or investing in real estate, the money is there for you. And guess what? There's no waiting for loan approvals or jumping through bureaucratic hoops. Comparing this to traditional bank loans, the benefits are clear. You typically enjoy lower interest rates and the freedom from credit checks and loan qualifications. Your life insurance policy becomes a flexible financial tool, allowing you to leverage opportunities without the usual constraints of traditional banking. This is financial empowerment at its best. Take control and make your money work for you. Investment comparison. When it comes to preparing for the golden years, most of us think about IRAs and 401ks as the go-to options. However, whole life insurance offers some compelling advantages, especially when we talk about liquidity and flexibility, elements crucial for a robust financial strategy. Let's break it down. IRAs and 401ks are excellent for long-term savings and do offer tax benefits, but they come with a significant limitation: liquidity. If you need access to your funds before age 59 and a half, not only are you faced with a 10% penalty, but you'll also have to pay taxes on the amount withdrawn. That's a steep price for accessing your own money. Now imagine a different scenario with whole life insurance. Here you build cash value over time, which you can borrow against with none of those penalties. For instance, let's say you want to start a business or need an emergency fund. Instead of cracking into your retirement nest egg and suffering penalties, you can take a loan from your life insurance policy. You'll get the cash you need without any penalties, and your policy continues to grow. The real kicker? Interest rates on these policy loans are typically much lower than what you'd find with personal loans or credit cards, and there's no mandatory timeline to pay it back. Your policy loan gives you flexibility and maintains your financial security, making whole life insurance a unique and powerful tool in your investment arsenal. Strategies for wealth building. Unlock the full potential of your financial assets with smart strategies that turn your whole life insurance into a powerful wealth building machine. Here's how you can leverage your policy for more than just peace of mind. Leveraging cash value. Think of the cash value in your whole life insurance as a ready reservoir of funds. You can tap into this anytime to invest in high-value assets such as real estate or to start a new business venture. For example, instead of securing a high-interest loan to purchase a property, use your policy's cash value. This way, you invest in an asset that potentially appreciates over time, contributing to your wealth without disrupting your retirement savings. Tax benefits. One of the most attractive features of whole life insurance is the tax-free growth of the cash value. Yes, you heard that right. Tax-free. The money you invest in your policy grows without the burden of taxes, which enhances its growth potential significantly over the years. Moreover, the money borrowed against the cash value is also tax-free, providing a double benefit. Reinvestment opportunities. Whole life policies often generate dividends, depending on the insurer's financial performance. These dividends can be reinvested back into your policy to buy additional insurance, paid-up additions, that increase your death benefit and cash value, or you can use them to reduce your premium payments or even receive them as cash. This reinvestment strategy not only increases your policy's value over time, but also multiplies the financial benefits you receive, giving you more leverage and flexibility in managing your personal finances. Long-term benefits. Whole life insurance is like the stalwart oak in your financial garden, offering not only shelter but steady, reliable growth year after year. Its unique blend of long-term growth and security is a standout feature that attracts savvy investors. Unlike the volatile swings of the stock market, the growth of whole life insurance is both stable and guaranteed, ensuring that your financial base only gets stronger with time. This isn't just about slow and steady wins. It's about creating a robust financial future that withstands economic ups and downs. But the benefits of whole life insurance extend beyond just financial growth. There's a profound peace of mind that comes with knowing you have lifelong insurance coverage. This means that no matter what happens, you have a safety net for your loved ones, ensuring they are financially secure after you're gone. Moreover, this coverage isn't subject to the same risks as other types of investments, which can fluctuate wildly due to external factors like market changes or interest rates. This dual advantage of financial growth and lifelong coverage offers a tranquil assurance that is hard to find in other financial tools. Whether you're looking ahead to retirement, planning for your family's future, or simply ensuring a stable financial path, whole life insurance stands as a pillar of stability and security. It's a comprehensive strategy that not only meets your current financial needs, but also secures your legacy, making it an essential component of a well-rounded long-term financial plan. Misconceptions about life insurance. Life insurance often gets boxed into a narrow perspective. It's just there to provide for your family when you're no longer around, right? Wrong. Let's debunk this common myth and explore the real power of life insurance as a multifaceted financial tool. Many believe life insurance is solely about the death benefit, the sum that beneficiaries receive upon the policyholder's death. While this is a crucial aspect, it barely scratches the surface of what life insurance can offer. Beyond just a safety net, whole life insurance in particular acts as a strategic asset in your wealth-building arsenal. Think of it as a silent financial partner in your journey towards financial independence. With features like cash value accumulation and the ability to borrow against this cash value tax-free, whole life insurance transforms from a mere death benefit instrument into a dynamic resource for financial growth. This shift in perspective opens up avenues not just for safeguarding your family's future, but also for enhancing your financial strategy today. Whole life insurance isn't just about waiting for the payout. It's about making your money work effectively and efficiently throughout your lifetime. And there you have it, a fresh look at how whole life insurance isn't just for after you're gone, but a robust tool for wealth building right now. So why not turn your policy into a powerhouse for your financial future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights.